I'm Bill Kux, and I've been in a number of productions at New Orleans Stage. I did Romeo and Juliet at the Briggs, and then I was in Hound of the Baskervilles, and finally, last season, I was in A Christmas Carol, and I played Scrooge. Well, Noises Off is a very moving, very deep, very intellectually challenging play. No, it isn't. It's just fun. It's just absolute nonstop laughter, and we're laughing in rehearsal, and it's just doors and people running up and down stairs in their underwear. Don't worry, I'm not in my underwear. Well, maybe I am in my underwear. Anyway, it's just fun. It's a riot. It's a laugh riot. One word to describe Noises Off. Turgid. No. Gut busting. You're gonna bust a gut when you see it.